Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Nutstop reached out to me and offered to send me some products to try out, and I am excited to show you guys what I picked out. Now in previous Nutstop unboxings I had a lot of nut products. Now I am living with my daughter now. She has a life-threatening nut allergy, so this hopefully will give you some ideas if you have someone with a nut allergy in your home, what types of items you might be able to pick up from Nutstop that is nut-free. So let's go ahead and open this box up so you guys can see all the items that I picked out. All right, I haven't broken into this yet, so let's undo the tape here. And I'm trying to do this with one hand. And if you hear any noises back in the back, my daughter is in the kitchen. I'm on the living room floor at the moment. She is making herself a pizza, so you might hear her banging around in the kitchen, and if you do, I apologize. All right, so they added some paper on top. It has Nutstop with a little squirrel on it. Super cute paper. And let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first item is dry pinto beans. So this is, let's see here, this is a 16-ounce bag. And let's see here, quarter cup is, looks like 60 calories. Kind of hard to see a little bit, but I will have everything that I picked out linked down below. So here are some dry pinto beans. I can do a lot with that. Make them in my Instant Pot. I can use them in soups, and I actually like pinto beans cooked with a little bit of what is it called, some sriracha hot sauce, and pinto beans, rice, and a little sriracha is the perfect way, I think, to eat pinto beans, or make some refried beans. So tons of options. So that is the first bag. And let's see here, second bag is, ooh, looks like brown rice. Let me check the back here. And it is long grain brown rice. And this is also a 16-ounce bag. And if you notice the expiration dates, these are into 2022. So I have a long time that I can use these for. And on all of their packages, I think it says that these items were manufactured on equipment that they also manufacture things that contain nuts, soy, and dairy products. I am excited to use some brown rice. I can make this in my Instant Pot along with some pinto beans, and this is this is actually my favorite meal, so that's exciting to have. And then let's see, next item is lentils. So these are just regular brown lentils, so I can make lentil curry. One of you guys had actually given me a recipe for lentil curry that I absolutely love. So this is also a 16-ounce bag, and just like the other bags, it says that it was manufactured on shared equipment with nuts, dairy, soy, and whey products. And this one is also good until 2022, which is nice. So lentils is a really good source of protein. If you are vegan or vegetarian, there's 8 grams of protein per serving, which is a quarter cup, which is pretty darn good. So lentils. And then let's see, we've got some white kidney beans here, which would be perfect for some white type of chili, which is the reason why I picked this out. I want to make a white chili here pretty soon. This one is good until the end of the year. And let's see, 9 grams of protein per quarter cup serving. So that is exciting. And this is what they look like. And all of these bags, they are sealed, and they do have zippers, so you can use just a little bit and then seal it back up again for later use. And I didn't mention this, but this is also a 16-ounce bag. Next is, let's see. Oh, I love this stuff. This is the 16 bean soup. I've had this before, and it is one of my favorites, and the reason why I picked it out again. So this is all it contains is the beans. And so I found a recipe, I think maybe on allrecipes.com for 16 bean soup mix. And I just, had all the seasonings on hand and threw them in there. In the grocery store, you can find a 16 bean soup mix that has the little flavoring packet, but there are tons of recipes online where you can find the seasonings to go along with the beans. So this is good until March of 2022. And this is also 16 ounces. And that's what the beans look like. There's tons of options in there. All right, next is, let's see here, organic hemp seeds. And these are hulled. And those look really nice. That is a 16-ounce bag, good until April of 2022, and just like the other bags, manufactured on equipment where they've also manufactured nut and dairy products. This is really good for shakes. I also like to put hemp seeds on my salads. These are the hulled, so they don't have the outer shell. This is perfect for salads. There are tons of recipes online and on YouTube making like a vegan salad dressing out of the hemp seeds. Makes dressings really creamy, so I will be giving that a try. And let's see here. Oh, cocoa powder. I like to use this in smoothies or banana ice cream. I get frozen bananas, or I get bananas rather, and when they are ripe, I throw them in the freezer chopped up, throw them in my Vitamix with a little bit of almond milk and this cocoa powder, and it is the perfect alternative to ice cream. This is a 12-ounce package, and it is just regular cocoa powder. So that is going to be nice to have. It makes me want to go grab some bananas from the store to make some ice cream with. All right, next is Chia Seeds. This is a 16-ounce bag, and this is good until April of 2022. I do like that their items are good for quite a long time. So these are just black and white chia seeds. I want to try to do a chia pudding, and I found some recipes online. I think it calls for just some almond milk and chia seeds, and I think you just set them in the refrigerator overnight, kind of like overnight oats. So I'm excited to give that a try. And those are chia seeds. A few things left in here. Is this. Okay, these are flax seeds, also 16 ounces, good until March of 2022. And these are whole flax seeds. I don't know how I'm going to use these. I was thinking these were going to be ground flax seeds. Probably my error. So I'll need to look to see how to use these. I can't say that I've ever used whole flax seeds. I'm not real sure how to use those. So if you guys have ever used these, let me know down in the comments what or how you would use these. All right, let's see. A few items still. Ooh, these are Medjool Dates. And these are not pitted. I can see the pits in the center, so I'll need to be really careful to take the pits out before I use these. But this is a 16-ounce bag, good until April of 2022. And those look really nice. These are whole. All right, next I have some yogurt raisins. This is also a 16-ounce bag, good until April of 2022. And this is really just snacky kind of stuff. So I'm excited to have this as a sweet treat. I don't know if, maybe I can put this in some banana ice cream. That might be nice. So little treat there. All right, next are black beans. Again, 16-ounce bag, good until April of 2022. These are dry beans. I will put these in my Instant Pot. I can use them for tacos. I can put them in soup. I can eat them with rice, with the brown rice that I've got. So this is a staple in my house. Let's see what this is. Oh, good. Another snacky item. This is chocolate. My daughter doesn't like chocolate, so that means I don't have to share. These are milk chocolate coffee beans. These sounded so good to me, but they are, let's see, 16 ounces in this bag, good until March of 2022. And I love coffee and chocolate, so I can just imagine that this is going to be probably my favorite thing out of this entire box. I can't wait to dig into this. All right, 2 more things here. Next, I think these are chopped dates. Let's see. Yes, chopped dates, good until April of 2022, 16 ounces. And these are really handy to have on hand. Dates can be difficult to chop up, so it's nice to have some in small pieces. I have a recipe that I really enjoy. It calls for dates and oats. It's I know I have a video somewhere on my channel where I have had these homemade granola bars, and the binding ingredient is the dates, and so I might make that again. But I do enjoy having some smaller pieces. The larger dates I can use as for snacking, just to pull one out of the bag, take the pit out, and eat the date. This is more probably going to be used for cooking. So chopped dates. And the last item in the bag, oh, another snacky item. This one's sugar-free chocolate raisins, 16 ounces, good until April of 2022, and those look amazing as well. I think I had picked out another sugar-free item, and they did not have it in stock, and so I think I picked out the other, the yogurt item instead. I tend to try to stick to sugar-free items. So this is quite a haul. They asked me to pick out 12 items, and I did. So let me set this all out so you guys can get an overview of what they were kind enough to send to me. Again, this video is not sponsored, but they did send this to me at no cost so that I can share with you their products. And let me know down in the comments if you guys would be interested in seeing a video, cooking videos using these items. It's kind of hard to lay everything out. I'm actually sitting on the floor right now. So let's see here. Here we go. So quite a bit in this haul. I just want to thank Nutstop for offering to send me these items at no cost. Again, I will have them linked down below, all the items that I selected. They do have I think it's a 10% coupon code for you guys, good for your first purchase through Nutstop. So if you have somebody who has an allergy to nuts, or if you just don't eat nuts, there are so many items on their website that are nut-free. This is just a small sampling of those items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know down in the comments what you would make with these items. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye!